Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to differentiate the functions involving angles, sine, cos and tangent. Here the first function is sine bracket sine x, and we have to find out the derivative of this function. In this type of question, first of all, we consider this whole sine x as the angle, and we simply take the derivative of sine and angle, which is cos sine x. Here we have just treated this sine x as an angle and take it as it is. We know that the derivative of sine is cos. Now we further take the derivative of this angle, d over dx sine x. Now the final answer will become cos sine x, and the derivative of sine x, which is cos x. And this is our answer. Moving forward to our next function, we have t sine pi minus 8t. Now we are going to differentiate this function by applying the product rule here. The two variables for the product are t and sine pi minus 8t. So according to the rule, first of all, we will keep sine pi minus 8t outside and take the derivative of t. Then plus sine, and then we will keep t outside and take the derivative of sine pi minus 8t. Now we have sine pi minus 8t, and the derivative of t is 1, plus t comes as it is, and the derivative of sine an angle is cos an angle, and we are going to further take the derivative of angle, which is pi minus 8t. Now we have sine pi minus 8t plus t cos pi minus 8t, and the derivative of pi is 0, and the derivative of 8t is minus 8. So we have sine pi minus 8t plus, this minus is going to multiply with this t, so we have minus here, minus 8t cos pi minus 8t. And this is our answer of the given function. Now we have another function 1 over root 7 minus 6x. As we know that the value of square root is 1 over 2, so we have written 1 over 7 minus 6x power half. In order to take the derivative of this function, we take it into the numerator, and it becomes 7 minus 6x minus half. Now we are going to differentiate this function. So first of all, we have minus 1 over 2 comes here, and 1 is subtracted from the power. Now we further take the derivative of this expression, which is 7 minus 6x. Now we have minus 1 over 2, 7 minus 6x minus 3 over 2, and the differentiation of 7 minus 6x is first 0 for constant, and here minus 6 for 6x. So we have minus 1 over 2, 7 minus 6x power minus 3 over 2 into minus 6. Now this 2 gets cancelled out with this 6, and minus become positive, so we have 3 here, and we take this expression into the denominator, so it becomes positive. We have 7 minus 6x 3 over 2, which can be written as 3 over root 7 minus 6x power 3. Here we have a function involving tan theta, and the question is r is equals to root tan theta tan theta. So first of all, we will differentiate with respect to r and t. So we will have 1 over 2 tan theta tan theta tan theta 1 over 2 minus 1. Now we further take the derivative of this expression again, which is tan theta and tan theta. Now here we will consider tan theta as first variable and this one as second for the product, and we'll apply the product rule here. Here we have 1 over 2 tan theta and this become minus 1 over 2. Now applying the product rule for this expression, we will have, first of all, we kept outside tan theta and take the derivative of this tan theta, and then plus we kept tan theta outside and take the derivative of this tan theta. Now we have here 1 over 2 tan theta minus 1 over 2, and here we have tan theta, and the derivative of tan theta is sec squared theta plus tan theta remains as it is, and the derivative of this tan theta is tan. Now we have, this is in the negative form. If we take this expression into the denominator, we will have 1 over 2 root, as we know that 1 over 2 is equivalent to root tan theta, and this one is going to multiply with this expression, and this 2 is going to multiply with this expression. So we have tan theta sec square theta plus tan theta and tan. We can write this tan before tan theta. So we have tan theta. As this is not the angle here, these are just multiplying with each other. So we have, this is a tan and this is a tan, and if they multiply with the 1, they remains the same. So we have tan theta sec square theta plus tan theta over 2 root tan theta. Now we take 2 common from here in order to cancel out with this 2. So we have 5 theta sec square theta plus 5 tan theta divided by 2 root tan theta. These two will cancel out with each other, and our final answer become 5 theta sec square theta plus 5 tan theta over root tan theta.